Good morning. It's Tuesday the 23rd of April. It's about 11:30 and we're just on our way now, having a little day trip walk to Isleta, which isn't too far away from the centre of Las Palmas. Going on over there. It's quite windy today, but temperature's still nice. It's quite hot in the sunshine, but again a little bit of a breeze. That's why you've got to be careful and wear your sunscreen, everybody. It's the wind that gets you, because you think you're quite cool, but actually you're getting that wind burn. My hat's going to blow off in a minute. What's this then? Are those little cat houses? Am I completely wrong? Do you reckon they're little cat houses for wild cats? Yeah, certainly warming up. Really nice and warm. Hi! The little doggy said hello. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the tiles. It's so funny when you see these, comes out and you see what somebody's had tiles in their kitchen, bathroom and stuff. Oh, that looks old over there. What is that here? Gosh, that building over there literally just looks like it's just been built and built and built and built on top of. Oh my god.
It reminds me of a building that got demolished in Mill Bay when I was a kid.
RACS. Something up there. What do you reckon it was?
Let's just be commercial. This does really remind me of those parts of Plymouth from like Catdown and Stonehouse where they had these sort of buildings. It's crazy where they just build these buildings with like no real design. It's just
Oh, we're going. Okay.
Tuesday lunchtime, son's birthday.
Oh yeah. I was like, what have we found here?
I'm thinking your afternoon vibes are going to be sitting in the sun back at the hotel.
Probably.
I can feel it.
I think so. Probably going to the beach, I think, going for a swim in the sea. I think that's what's on the cards. Oh, the man's still selling his plant wares.
Is he?
Yeah, I just heard him again.
Oh, yeah. I might be warning of impending doom.
Oh, could be.
He might be saying, stay indoors with a deadly black gas cloud.
Ah.
But I got the impression he was selling plants. So I'd say we're on the highest point of the neighbourhood of La Isleta.
Yeah. Oh, look.
All the way back, you can almost see our hotel from here.
Yeah. Yes, we are quite high, aren't we?
Yeah.
There's a gatto box up there. No gattos in there.
You want to take a quick look at where we can walk to?
Yeah. Oh, wow. Gosh.
Well, the footpath is currently closed here, which is... Oh, it just reopens there.
Yeah, it opens up
There's
there.
all a boardwalk down there.
Yeah. Yep, you can walk all the way up to the point over there. Probably further around all around, can't you?
Around to the tip of the island.
So we'll do that another day.
Just missed the plane scooping up water.
No way, really?
Yeah. That means there's a forest fire somewhere.
Oh no. How does it scoop up water? Round again.
On second thoughts, it might be pilot training.
Yeah. If you'd scooped up water, he'd be off, wouldn't
I
he?
thought so.
Oh my god.
Crazy.
Ian? Oh! Why is it just...
What if we were about to witness a catastrophic
Yeah,
accident?
I 100% thought that was going to crash. 100% thought that that was going to go into the side of that building. But they definitely released water over there, so...
Well, yeah. Again, it could be testing. You could just do it to show the... I'm thinking he is doing a training. Can you film his approach again and see what he does this time?
Yeah. Can't see it, but I think he's over there somewhere.
Yeah, he's right in front of us. So... I think he's going to go...
Oh yeah, he
he's
is.
going
He is
down.
going down.
It must be a training day.
He's going down. He's Scooping up the water. Oh my gosh. There he goes, scooped it up, I guess. Scooping it up. Up he goes again.
It's an unexpected bonus.
Yeah. I should imagine we'll see him drop it again. Right, he's coming in again. He's going to do it again. It was terrifying the first time. Honestly thought he was going to go right into the buildings. There he goes. Oh, I've lost him. He's gone. Is he gone? Oh! Oh my gosh. Right, we're going to have to go around the headland and have a look around the corner, aren't we?
He was dropping water again.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, here he goes.
I think maybe it's something the locals know that they just do regularly.
Hang a left. Ian wants to show us what was the old cinema. Because he came and saw it one time he was here. So we're going to have a look at it. It's got no roof by the looks of it. So it's very abandoned. The plane's coming back over again. You can hear it in the distance. Probably the only bit of buildings that we've seen that are actually like part of a set that match each other, really, aren't they? Angry little boy.
He's a very angry little dog.
Wee doggy. It's a nice coloured Merc.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, I like that. the hubcaps to match. These little locals.
Naranja.
Yeah, should we stop here? I think we're going to get a refreshment now. So yeah, that concludes our little walk around Isleta. We'll see you next time.